Hi guys, I am Elia, a student of IT Urbino, and I'm going to talk of Federico Faggin, important figure in the world of IT. Federico Faggin is an Italian-American physicist, electrical engineer, and inventor, best known for his groundbreaking work in development of the microprocessor. He is particularly recognized for his main role in the creation of the Intel 4004, the first commercially available microprocessor. This microprocessor was introduced by Intel in 1971 and it marked the beginning of the microprocessor revolution, laying the foundation for modern computing. Federico Faggin was the lead designer and project manager for the Intel 4004, the world's first 4-bit microprocessor. The chip was the key innovation that allowed complex calculation to be handled in a single compact component, which was crucial in development of modern computing. Before the Intel 4004, computers were much larger and used a variety of discrete components to perform tasks. It had 2,300 transistors and it was capable of processing 4 bits at a time. The chip was intended initially for using calculators, but it had much wide application that paved the way for personal computers and other digital devices. Faggin's major contribution was in design of the MOS, metal oxide semiconductor, process technology that made it possible to integrate a large number of transistors in a small chip. This was a revolutionary step in development of microprocessor and integrated circuits, as it allowed for more powerful, efficient and smaller devices. Faggin worked closely with others all his career. The Intel 4004 project in particular was a team effort. Key collaborators included Stan Mazur, who worked alongside Faggin on the design and architecture of the Intel 4004. Another collaborator is Ted Hoff, another Intel engineer, who contributed to the overall architectural design. Although Faggin is credited with the hardware and design aspect. And the last, Faggin's team at Intel. The project involved collaboration between engineers, designers, and technicians at Intel, working together to create the groundbreaking chip. Faggin faced numerous challenges. The first is technological, because developing the Intel 4004 required overcoming significant technological hurdles, such as miniaturizing the components of a computer and developing the technology to pack thousands of transistors on a single chip. Another challenge is personal, because as an immigrant from Italy, Faggin faced cultural and language barrier when he moved to the United States to work at Intel. He also had to prove his idea and work within a highly competitive, fast-paced industry. And the last is societal, because in the early days of the tech industry, there were few role models for young engineers like him, especially in the field of microelectronics. The industry itself was still in its infancy, and there was skepticism about the feasibility of such ambitious projects. Faggin's invention of the Intel 4004 microprocessor set the stage for the modern computing era. This chip is directly linked to the development of personal computers, mobile phone and smartphone, smart device and medical technology. Essentially, Faggin's work transformed the way we live, work and communicate in ways that continue to expand as technology evolves. Faggin has written a book called Silicon Life, A Personal Journey, where he reflects on his life, career, and the role of technology and spirituality in shaping his path. In the book, Faggin discusses his role in creating the microprocessor, his journey from Italy to the United States, and how he felt both challenged and inspired by the task of changing the future of computing. He also delves in the philosophical and spiritual aspect of his life, offering a unique perspective on how innovation and personal beliefs can intersect. Hi, Dan here. Thank you for watching.